Hi guys! I love the way henna looks and I recently found this white colored version that I wanted to try out. It's actually really easy to make. It's the perfect summer project to do with the kids since they can't wear it to school. And so today I'm going to show you how to make it. I'm Laura, and as a former makeup artist, I love sharing easy style and beauty tips that help moms feel their best. Before we get started, I do want to note that this is technically not henna. Henna is actually a natural dye that stains the skin. This is more of an adhesive body paint that is like henna, but it's not going to stain your skin. So the supplies we're going to need are white face or body paint, Prozade cream adhesive, a little applicator bottle, and some cornstarch. And this is totally optional, but I printed out some designs to look at for inspiration. All right, we're going to start off by mixing 1 part paint and 2 parts of the Prozade cream adhesive. So the Prozade cream adhesive I used a ton of in makeup school. We use it for prosthetics, for monster makeup, all that kind of good stuff. Just mix it pretty well till it feels tacky. All right, so it's time to put in our applicator bottle. You can also use a Ziploc baggie. I'll link the directions below, but these were pretty cheap on Amazon and work just a little better. All right, so once it's in the bottle, you're gonna wanna start right away so it doesn't dry out. I have my design inspiration and I'm gonna just go for it, so here we go. So the thinner you make the lines, the longer the design will last and the faster it'll dry. Mine are a little bigger because it's actually easier to apply that way. And if you mess up, you can just wipe it off. Once you're done, let it sit for about 10 minutes to dry. All right, so we're done with our design. For our final step, we're gonna seal it in with some cornstarch. We're just gonna sprinkle a generous amount on the top. This is gonna make it not sticky anymore, and also it's gonna make it waterproof. Leave it on for about 5 minutes, then dust it off. All right guys, that is it. It came out so cool, check it out. My girls and I have been having so much fun with this, experimenting with all kinds of different designs.
It looks so cool, I love it.
And it'll last a couple days, but will easily come off with just some soap and water. All right guys, thank you so much for watching. If you do this at home, I can't wait to see your designs. So remember to tag me on Instagram and I'll see you next week. Bye guys.